Dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus and guest paper for UG 6th semester generic elective course History. So let us get started. Undergraduate syllabus for subject History from 2020 onwards, batch 2020 onwards. Bachelor of Arts semester 6th. Subject code is HS620G and the title of subject is Themes in History, Part 2nd. Theory 2 credits, 30 hours. Tutorial 2 credits. Objectives or expected learning outcomes. This course aims at making the students understand how and why British rule was established in India. It underlines how the colonized people responded to policies of the colonizer. The movements launched by the colonized people are discussed to underline the role of masses in putting colonialism to end. After the completion of the course, the students are expected to develop a critical thinking and approach and engage with issues. The endeavor is also to make the students appreciate the essence of diversity and pluralism. In Unit 1st, you have to study number 1st, European penetration, number 2nd, foundation of British rule. Unit 2nd, subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, number 2nd, revolt of 1857, its causes and failure. In Unit 3rd, you have to study number 1st, foundation of Indian National Congress, number 2nd, role of moderates and extremists. In Unit 4, you have to study number 1st, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement, number 2nd, civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. Number 3rd is end of British Raj. Tutorial 1st is critical assessment of any one movie or documentary on nationalist leader report. Tutorial 2nd, a review of any one book on modern Indian history. Now suggested readings. So this was all regarding the syllabus. Now let us discuss the guest paper. Question number 1 is from Unit 1st. The question is, the Battle of Plassey 1757 marked the beginning of political supremacy of British in India. Discuss. Question number 2 is from Unit 2nd. And the question is, discuss the causes and consequences of revolt of 1857. Question number 3rd is from Unit 4th. And the question is, highlight the role played by moderates in Indian national movement. Or the question will be asked like this. Highlight the role played by extremists in Indian national movement. Now question number 4 is, discuss in detail the non-cooperation movement launched by Gandhi in 1920s. So this was all regarding the syllabus and guest paper for UG 6th semester generic elective course History, that is Themes in History 2nd. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe.